Welcome to the September 2025 Hero Studio Stamping Cut of the Month called Pick of the Patch. Let's take a look at this month's product. The stamp set this month includes a variety of layering images to create an assortment of pumpkins and gourds along with a fall-themed sentiment. There are 22 clear stamps in total. Each solid image has a coordinating detail stamp that layers on top to add stems and finishing touches. To coordinate, you'll also receive 12 matching dies so you can easily cut out the images and add dimension to your projects. Now let's create a card. I recommend starting by die cutting all of your pieces from white cardstock. You'll need both the positive and negative pieces for this technique. Place one of the solid pumpkin or gourd images into your stamping positioner and stamp it onto a piece of scrap paper. Line up the negative die-cut piece over the stamped image, making sure the margins are even around the edges. Hold the negative piece in place with the best ever craft tape from Spellbinders. Pop the positive die-cut piece into the opening, ink up your stamp in the color of your choice, and stamp down. For the detail layer, stems or accents, repeat the same steps with the coordinating stamp. Continue this process for all of the images you'd like to use. I used a mix of fall colors of ink, including pumpkin, spicy mustard, soft olive, forever green, espresso, and papaya. Start with an A2 side folding card base. Stamp the sentiment in black ink, die cut it out with the coordinating die, and adhere it near the top of the card. Stamp and die cut the banner of leaves from the September 2025 card kit of the month and adhere it across the card with liquid glue. Arrange your pumpkins and gourds along the bottom edge, layering them for fullness. To finish, add a squirrel from the September 2025 card kit of the month, popped up with foam squares for dimension and a touch of whimsy. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.